Okay, we're here in the Fairmount / Francisville section of Philadelphia. Center City is really a short walk to there. You can see the second Comcast tower. The first one's behind the tree. Fairmount Ave is right there. That's that traffic light there. So it's very close to the great commercial corridor that is Fairmount Ave. Just a really nicely developed neighborhood. I'm going to show you. I'm going to park in 727 North 17th Street. So it's a mid-sized apartment building. Had a lot of snow weather in the last couple days. Excuse the snow. Street parking is not bad in this neighborhood. There's a nice park that's right through there. And Broad Street is down to Fairmount Ave, and you make a left, and the Broad Street line is right there. They can also take you to Center City quickly. So great public transit here, lots of development, a beer distributor's right there, lots of bars and restaurants on the street. So a lot to be desired, and now we're going to take you through. Gate here. There's an intercom system here for residents to use. Always locked and automatically self-closing front door. Here's your mailboxes. And here's into the common area. And now we'll enter one of the units. Okay, so now we're in the vestibule of 727 North 17th Street. We're gonna head upstairs. This is for a third floor unit. Best part about this is that it's well off the first level, very safe. It's a 6-unit property. This is your unit. Okay. Here's your living space. Stackable washer and dryer. Refrigerator. Gas cooktop. Microwave and oven. On the left here is your bathroom. Toilet, sink, medicine cabinet. Shower tub combo. This will be regrouted and cleaned up a tad before we move it. Okay, and then there's a window right here. Again, this is the living space. Kitchen. It's a ceiling fan. Big, bright window. This is your bedroom. Ceiling fan. It's a nice sized closet. Window AC unit. I'm gonna walk out this room. So it's very long. The width is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A hair under 7 feet wide. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 to the closet door. Okay. 12, 13 to the closet opening here. 14, 15 and change to the window. That's the width and depth of the room. It's a really great apartment. Very safe, very clean. That's the space. Let us know if you're interested. Thank you.